I have a question. What kind of plants can I use to establish a wildflower garden in full sun?
We're in luck in Minnesota. We have a lot of great plants already here. I'm a big advocate for native plants. And so I think that in Minnesota, native plants are the way to go. Prairie, we're in the middle of prairie country. A lot of tall grass prairie plants are fantastic wildflower garden plants. A lot of local nurseries are now carrying an increasing number of native plants, so you can get a really good variety. One of the nice things about a lot of the native plants too is that if you get the right palette, it's easy to do. You can have flowering all summer long. A lot of the native wildflowers, native prairie plants are really good for wildflower gardens because they do a really good job of establishing themselves. They will spread very easily, seed themselves in or spread vegetatively, and they also do a pretty good job of fighting off weeds. So you don't need to do a whole lot once you get a wildflower garden established. Here are a couple of our natives that we like to use. These are lobelia and obedient plant. These are fantastic plants. They do really well in full sun with a variety of water. We have all kinds of plants around me that are fantastic as well. The blazing stars are great plants for gardens, as are milkweeds, bee balm, and don't forget about grasses. We've got a lot of native grasses. We've got big blue stem, little blue stem, side oats, grama. They are also really good for wildflower gardens, not only for the structure they provide and the winter interest, but also for pollinators. So we have a great variety of species readily available to us in Minnesota. And these species are all good for full sun areas, dry. They'll take it once it's established, especially. They'll take drought. They'll take it as dry as you can go. They look great. They're flowering all summer long, and they're good for the pollinators.
Ask the Arboretum Experts has been brought to you by the Minnesota Landscape Arboretum in Chaska, dedicated to welcoming, informing, and inspiring all through outstanding displays, protected natural areas, horticultural research, and education.